If you want to use Power BI, the first thing that you're going to have to do is actually go there. And that's pretty easy. There's a couple ways to do it, and I'm going to show you several. Okay. So the very easiest, if you head up to your nav bar, whatever browser you're in, if you just go to app.powerbi.com, and you can add all this other stuff if you want to. I'm just going to leave it off. I'm just going to go to app.powerbi.com. If you go there, it'll automatically take you to Power BI, and you're done. Okay. But if you don't like typing stuff into the nav bar, and that'd be perfect. That's perfectly fair if you don't want to. There's a couple other ways to do it too. So number one, if I head to Office 365, so I'm just going to go to Office 365, search for O365, and I go find my Office 365 portal. When I click on that, right, it's going to show me all the different apps I've got in Office 365. Now, you may have Power BI here on your list. If you don't, you can either hit this All Apps button right there, or you can head up here to the waffle, right, and hit this All Apps button instead. I'm going to use this one because it's more consistent across different O365 applications. And here, the hardest part of this is that there's too many things, but don't worry, they're alphabetical. So just go down to P, find yourself Power BI, and click on it, right? Lastly, if you really enjoy searching, you could also do maybe the easiest thing and just search for Power BI. And if you search for Power BI, shockingly, the first couple links, or maybe not shockingly, the first couple links might not actually be Power BI. What you're going to want to look for is the one that doesn't have the little ad next to it, right? The non-paid for version. Find the one that says powerbi.microsoft.com and has a bunch of sublinks underneath it. You just go ahead and click on that. And then you will hit the sign in button, which will take you to app.powerbi.com, right? Very, very easy.